To get a bigger text for your live transcription on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap live transcribe. Next, tap open live transcribe. Tap the setting icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now, slide the text size adjustment bar to the right to get a bigger text that fits with your need. Tap the back key. As you can see, the text size for your transcription has been changed to a bigger one. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.